Okay guys, this is a 2018 Toyota Sienna SE. Presented you from Real Deal Auto. This is a rebuilt title, front end damage, all been fixed up. I personally just got underneath it, inspected it. Everything looks good. Frame straight, no leaks. This has 46,000 miles on it, guys. Super low miles for the year. These are a little bit older, low mileage is the best bang for your buck. This will cost you the least amount of money to drive per year than if you were to go buy a 24 with the same amount of miles. Leather, it's got the sunshades there for the kids. Bunch of keys and keyless entries. So 46,587 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. It's your backup camera. All your temperature controls, dual climate, heated seats. All your power options, cup holders. Automatic windows, front and rear, power sliding doors, and tailgate. Take a close look at that seat, no tears, no unusual wear. Looks like it has 46,000 miles, all weather floor mats. There's your VIN number. So this is an 8-passenger. Seats in the back. You can put this seat right in there for that extra passenger or take it out, so you got the pass-through for all the kids. Easy to get there. Three seat belts there in the back, cup holders. So these do have these sunscreens for the kids, really nice. Here's that extra seat. So I believe you can lay this floor mat down on the whole, lay it down and have this whole thing covered, protected. Looks like they've used it. This thing looks really clean. Most of the time these are all beat up. Temperature control there. You can feel this AC, it's blowing really cold. No smells. Got good tires on there. Check out all our inventory at Real Deal.